Well, YouTubers, it's been a while since I did an update, so I thought I'd do a little quick update for you. This is an update on the air conditioner installed in my room with the crank out window. So this is now getting onto the fall, winter time. So obviously I don't need the air conditioner anymore, but occasionally it's nice if outside it's cooler than inside the bedroom. If the bedroom's too warm, it'd be nice to pull in the cool air from outside rather than having to cool it with the air conditioner. So what we need for that is a fan. I already have the hole into the room through the window, so I need to get a fan, adapt the fan so that it would pull the cold air from the outside into the room. So what I came up with is this. Okay, so this is just a Honeywell fan I just bought from Amazon or whatever. And I basically took it apart off of the tray here. I've already unscrewed it, etc. So I just have the base fan. And then what I built was an aluminum, just aluminum trim that you use around a window, that kind of thing, just sheet aluminum. I took a cone piece here and a little ring. Just the ring, just ended up screwing it on. Cut 3 slots that'll fit in the 3 slots in that to hold that window tube, the exhaust tube, and a couple of clips here, just some old wire clamps or pipe clamps. Just straighten them out, bend them. So that goes in the original screw there, and that's just a rivet there, and then I just put some black electrical tape just to plug up the gap there. And then the control for it, where's the control? There's down there. I just set that on high. You can't really get at it very easily. So it's just set on high right now. It's not very loud anyway. So this will just clip into the exhaust tube location with those 3 slits that I cut in there, and plug it in, and I've got a nice exhaust fan. So I'll show you what it looks like installed. Okay, so here we are in the bedroom. The air conditioner and the tube that I've disconnected from the window. So if we're familiar with that, it has a clip at the bottom and the 2 clips up at the side to clip that tube in. So I've just unclipped that tube. So now we'll just go back to the fan. And the fan, let's see if we can get it in right. So, see if we can get it here. So we're going to put that clip in there, and those 2 clips up top. Okay, so there we have the fan clipped in, 3 locations. Now we'll just crank open the window. And instantly, we're pulling cool air into the room. I hope that works for you. It's a great addition to the project to use the cold air. It's already cold outside. Bring that in. If something like that will work for you, give it a whirl. Have fun with it. Cheers.